came through with 2 Glocks to terrorize your borough. Told you how to slap dicks and murder your girl. Gave you all the finger and told you to sit and twirl. Sold a billion tapes and still scream fuck the world. Who came? So come and kill me while my name's hot, and shoot me 25 times in the same spot. I think I got a generation brainwashed to pop pills and smoke pot till their brains rot. Stop their blood flow till their veins clot. I need a pain shot and a shot of plain scotch. Purple haze and after rain drops. Spike the punch at the party and drain pop. Shake my armpits and more of a tank top. Bad boy, I told you that I can't stop. Gotta make them feel you before you make them feel you. So everybody buy my shit or I'm I'm really calm and peaceful. I like birds, bees, I like people. I like funny things that make me happy and gleeful. Like when my teacher sucked my wee-wee in preschool. Lil tight and stab myself with a steel spike while I blow my brain out just to see what it feels like. Cause this is how I am in real life. I don't wanna just die a normal death, I wanna be killed twice. How you wanna scare somebody with a gun threat when they're high off the drugs they haven't even done yet? So bring the money by tonight, cause your wife said this is the biggest night she ever saw in her life. I try to keep it positive and play it cool. Shoot up the playground and tell the kids to stay in school. Cause I'm the one they can relate to and look up to better. Tonight I think I write my biggest fan of fuck you letter. I listen to your demo tape and act like I don't like it. 6 months later, you read your lyrics on my shit. People don't buy shit no more, they just dub it. That's why I'm still broke and had the #1 club hit. But they love it when you make your business public, so fuck it. I got herpes while we on this subject. And if I told you I had AIDS, y'all are playing. Cause you stupid motherfuckers think I'm playing when I say it. Well, I do take pills, don't do speed, don't do crack, don't do coke. I do smoke weed, don't do smack. I do shrooms, do drink beer. I just wanna make a few things clear. My baby mama's not dead, she's still alive and bitching. And I don't have herpes, my dick's just itching. It's not syphilis, that's for being AIDS infested. I don't know yet, I'm too scared to get.
Don't say no. Don't say no.